Hey guys, here's another box fan that I got. So this is a Lasko 3733 20-inch box fan. And I got it because, well, I've been wanting it for quite a while. Ever since I saw it on my YouTube friend Lamont the Fan Man's videos. So I finally got one, and here it is. So here's the fan. So this is pretty much your average cheap box fan. So it has very basic grill design, and it has 5 pedal blades. So here's the side view. This fan has a gray cabinet, which is different than my classic, but I find it looks nice with the white plastic parts. And here's the switch. This is a 3-speed knob. That's the indicator right there. And the carrying handle. And here's the back. So the motor is in here. You can see the windings in there. The rotor. And the cooling vent right here. 2 plastic feet for stabilizing. Power cord. And here's the information on the fan. So it says 0.8 amps, but this fan actually consumes only 0.7, so that's not true there. And model 3733. So now I'll start the fan up. This thing blows a lot of air. It's very powerful. So we'll start it up on low speed. It's decently powerful on low. Here is medium. And high speed. It's very noisy on high speed, but it blows a lot of air. And now I'll turn it off. It has a pretty good spin down too. So that's it for this video on my Lasko 3733 box fan. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.